Hi children, welcome to Yakshadha Public School, grade 3rd, EVS, topic human body, worksheet number 1, activity number 10. Children, in this video, let us revise the topic human body with the help of a mind map. Let's move to mind map of topic human body. Children, our body is made up of several organs. Organs can be divided into two types. They are external organs and internal organs. The organs which are outer side of the body are called external organs. For example, skin, eyes, ears, nose and tongue. The organs which are inside the body are called internal organs. For example, stomach, lungs, kidneys, heart, food pipe, windpipe and brain. Let's know about the different types of organ system. Children, before going to know about organ system, we should know about what is an organ system. Children, a group of organs that work together form an organ system. There are 8 organ systems: respiratory system, digestive system, circulatory system, excretory system, reproductive system, skeletal system, nerve system and muscular system. Let's know about the respiratory system. Organs that are involved in the obtaining oxygen gas from the air and removing carbon dioxide gas from the body form the respiratory system. The nose, windpipe and lungs are the human respiratory system. Let's know about digestive system. Organs that work together to digest food from the digestive system. The mouth, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, anus are organs of the human digestive system. Let's know about the circulatory system. The heart, blood and blood vessels form the circulatory system. This organ system controls the flow of blood in the body. The heart works like a pump. The movement of the blood through the blood vessels by the pumping action of the heart is called circulation. The heart makes the sound lub jub as it pumps blood to every part of the body. Blood vessels are of two types. They are arteries and veins. The arteries carry blood from the heart to every part of the body. Veins. Veins bring blood from all parts of the body back to the heart. Let's know about the excretory system. Children, our body works all the time. As it works, it produces waste. These waste mix with the blood. Hence, blood has to be cleaned. Organs that remove waste from the blood form the excretory system. The kidneys, ureters and urinary bladder form the excretory system. The cleaning of the blood is done by the kidneys. They work as filter and remove waste from the blood in the form of urine. So dear children, I hope the concept is clear to everyone. Now let us look at the question and answers of this video. Questions are: what is digestion? The process of breaking down of food into simple useful substances that can be used by the body is called digestion. Second question: name the organs that clean the blood. The cleaning of blood is done by the kidneys. Write the process of digestive system. The food is first chewed in the mouth from where it passes into the food pipe and then into the stomach. From the stomach, the food passes into small intestine and then the large intestine during the passage of the food in various organs of the digestive system. The food is broken down into simpler substances and digestion is completed in the small intestine. In the same way, you have to answer the remaining questions. Thank you.